Hi, it's Amy Keast and author of Is a Sickness or an Energy Block? Know the difference and what to do about it. So today I wanted to talk to you about really what my book's about, and if you'd like to get a free copy, just message me and I will send one to you. So basically, we got a really big problem in this society. We've got it all wrong. So we look outside ourselves in order to heal. We treat symptoms. It's a band-aid effect. It's not an insurance problem. It's not a drug company issue. If all healthcare were free, all of it, didn't have to pay for anything, this problem would still exist. And the problem is this: people don't get better, they get another pill. All right, so I've spent the last 30 years working in the healthcare industry, and so I think I'm qualified to make these statements. And then I'm going to take it a step further and tell you what I'm doing now as an energy healer to teach you what I've learned. So just think of everything, everybody, anyone that works in the health industry, all of them. Think of them in a box. Put everything, the money, the pills, the treatments, the institutions, the insurance companies, all that stuff, put it in the box. All right, so anything that isn't part of that system will be placed outside of the box. And that would be me. That would be anybody that talks about anything that's not really part of that system. I'm an energy healer. That is not part of our healthcare system. So anything that's outside of the box, a lot of times is deemed as crazy. People mock them. People ridicule them. People devalue them. And the reason for that is because people like myself or anybody else outside of that box is threatening the people in the box. Because, see, they want us to stay in that box. They want to stay there counting their money because that's the benefit of the box. It's an industry. People make money. People are not getting better. Now, don't get me wrong. There are aspects of modern medicine that are fantastic. What I am criticizing, what I'm bringing to your attention is the chronic illnesses that we treat. We do not find the cause. So that's what I want to talk to you about. So this is how the system looks. You experience sickness in some form and you go to the doctor. All right, there's no discussion about how you got this sickness or how that occurred, generally speaking. The doctor will maybe run some tests, he'll give you a diagnosis, and then they like to name things. And then, you might leave the doctor's office thinking, well, at least I know what it is and we can treat it. I mean, that's really where we're at. We should be thinking, that's not good enough. And you go to all lengths to figure it out. So I'm going to give you the tools to figure it out. So your condition is chronic, and so you're going to have to medicate it. And then so now you're locked into the system that was created. So now you're going to have to go to the doctor routinely. You're going to have to take medications routinely. Now you have a pre-existing condition that the insurance companies get to charge you more for. And it goes on and on. So we're not treating the whole person here. We're merely treating the physical. I think we all know that we're more than physical. We have a soul. We have energetic bodies. That's really where a sickness and disease starts. It's in these energetic fields. It's through, beliefs. It's through trauma. Things that happen anywhere from in utero all the way up to, let's say, 20, 30 years old, our brains are not fully developed. And as a result, when there is trauma or some type of negative something, anything, our brains cannot fully process that. And so things get stuck. And you might not even remember which causes another problem, or it may be something that you do remember and you're trying to forget. Our minds do a really good job of trying to protect us. So lots of people don't remember their traumas. And that's just the way it is. They get stuffed into the subconscious mind. That doesn't mean they're not there. So, nobody is looking for these things in our medical system. And it's these types of negative energy blocks that usually migrate to the physical body. It's the physical body symptoms that send you back to the doctor. It's the person isn't going to get better. You're not going to get better. And so your illness is chronic. And so you keep just treating it. It's kind of like a vicious cycle. So anyway, I discovered my healing gifts about 10 years ago by working with my intuition. It was something that just happened spontaneously. Energy would be removed while I was using my intuition, like I would be giving a reading to someone. And it was something that it's taken me some time to figure out. I had to reverse engineer. I had to use my intuition to see actually what I was removing. And I was really surprised because I didn't know about past lives. I didn't know about trauma and the chakras. It was an education. I went through and just would see a client or see somebody that had found me miraculously, and it was just an education. I didn't know, but I was taught. So I don't have a certification. I don't have any special training. My training is my own healing and helping others. And so now I use my intuition and my healing gifts to help others. I think the world is ready for it. I think it's time that people get to see beyond the illusion of being sick. We don't have to tolerate this. We can get well. And I hope to teach other people how to do what I do so that more people can learn and more people can be healed. And so, like I said at the beginning, if you would like a copy of Is This Sickness or an Energy Block, I would love to get you a copy. Just send me a message. And if you would like a reading or a healing session with me, I do private sessions, I do group sessions, and I'll be starting workshops soon to teach others how to do this healing modality. I call it intuitive soul healing. And if you're interested in that, then shoot me a message as well. And I'll see you next time.